Huge congrats to BTS. It was announced this morning that the K-pop group will be performing on the American Music Awards this month. ARMY, you have to be freaking out. I definitely am. What is up, you guys? I'm Carly, and you're watching the Hollywire Hot Minute. It is safe to say that BTS has blown up in America this year. They majorly beat out huge pop stars like Justin Bieber, Ariana Grande, and more at the Billboard Music Awards, all thanks to their fandom, the ARMY, that voted so hard to help them win Top Social Artist and cause everyone in the States to pay attention.
You know, we still cannot believe that we're standing here on this stage at the Billboard Music Awards. Oh my gosh.
And now another major moment for the K-pop superstars. They will do their first ever American Awards show performance at the American Music Awards on November 19th. So freaking pumped. The show's Twitter account shared this. Not surprisingly, the tweet had hundreds of thousands of retweets and likes within hours. Yeah, cannot wait. And word is that they're gonna be performing their hit DNA off their most recent album, Love Yourself, Her. Oh my gosh, you guys, what are your thoughts? Are you freaking out right now? I wonder what everyone is going to wear, and let's talk it out in the comments down below. Give this video a like and subscribe. And if you guys have not checked out my interview with them, we will link it for you guys down below. So if you don't know BTS, get to know them and watch that. For Hollywire, I'm your girl Carly Henderson, and I'll see you guys soon.